I was good, y'all. So I had to cut the rest of that video because it does get really disturbing. Um, he proceeds to attack the woman, stabbing her. She basically dies, passes away. This is just a quick message for you guys out there to stay vigilant, okay? Even if you're on a subway, as we seen, she's minding her business in her phone. Unfortunately, you gotta be aware of your surroundings at all times. That's just the world that we live in. So, short message, simple and sweet. Stay sharp out there and stay strapped.